Dog is man's best friend. Ha! With a single blow of this whistle, they just turn on a dime. There's no true bond.
That's not true. Tell me that's not true.
Of course it's not true.
But what do we do now?
It can be reversed. We just need that whistle.
Fetch me if you can!
I'm just minding my own business, trying to find a home, looking for love in a doghouse, so people don't be so cold. I'm here to make it happy. Your thoughts I can't control. Don't judge the dog by its collar. My greatness will unfold. I'm in a different place, just trying to find my space in a world with no dogs like me. I'm full of super fun. Yes, I do more than run. There is more to me than you can't see. You don't treat me like a friend. Sometimes you are so cruel. If you listen closely to my bark, you love me too. I come from many miles away to help some needed friends. Depending when you let me, and my good deeds will begin. I'm just minding my own business, trying to find a home, looking for love in a doghouse, so people don't be so cold. I'm here to make it happen. Your thoughts I can't control. Don't judge the dog by its collar. My greatness will unfold.
Oh, nailed it!
The whistle, Franklin!
Only those with the purest canine love in their hearts can reverse this. Blow, Pops, blow!
The Zelda machine made. Mommy loves you.
Gorgeous! Oh, love that angle. Kisses. Can I get a testimonial?
Look at that. The sacred bond reinstated.
Oh, hey! There you all are!
Lou, you missed it. Moon Girl came and it was a whole showdown. And they even gave us Best in Show.
Wow, that's amazing. So, what you gonna do with that one?
We're taking her back to my planet for a dose of some much-needed puppy therapy. Ow!
Again, Franklin, I am really sorry for everything.
I'm just grateful I got to spend time with the best humans on Earth. Especially you, Pops.
So I guess this is goodbye.
I wish I could stay, but I gotta get back to my post. But whenever you need me, I'll come.
Like a good boy.
You handled the whole Franklin's an alien thing pretty well.
I'm just happy he told me the truth. When you really care about someone, you want to love them for all of who they are. No secrets. Now let's find Foo-Foo. I need to get a autograph.
She should be asking for your autograph, Mr. Best in Show.